If you remember, plain, cheap, convenient white mushrooms appeared able to outsmart breast cancer cells that try to make their own estrogen by crippling the enzyme tumors use to make it. But this was based on placental tissue samples. Let's stack mushrooms up against the real thing. Human breast cancer cells in a petri dish, if you do nothing, they just keep growing and proliferating at the same rate. But if you add the raw material the cancer cells use to make their own estrogen, they take full advantage and grow like crazy, 10 times as fast. But then, as you add more and more white mushroom extract to shut off estrogen manufacturing, you can get cancer growth almost back to baseline. So, the last study proved mushrooms could inhibit that enzyme, and even figured out which mushroom worked the best. Here, they went a step further to see it in action in actual breast cancer cells. Now that we know it may work, what's the required dose? I mean, how many mushrooms do you have to eat? Maybe it's some ridiculous amount. Based on these studies, the consumption of just 5 mushrooms a day may be sufficient to suppress breast tumor growth.